Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about you might be facing digital distraction nowadays, guys. So even I'm a kind of person from last 1 month I've been facing digital distractions. I tend to use Instagram to see some kind of message which we tend to from friends and family members. Even we tend to watch reels and some kind of snaps in Snapchat, even Twitter. So even recent times I've been addicting. I'm not addicting, I guess I'm addicting towards those kind of application, guys. So the main reason I'm going to share the 5 tips which I've been using from past 2 years. So I'm going to share my experience, my tips to you guys. So without much, before moving to video, make sure to follow me on Instagram, make sure to subscribe my channel, guys. It keeps motivation for me to do more videos. So thanks a lot for people who have been subscribed my channel till now. So if you didn't subscribe it, do subscribe, guys, please. It helps me a lot to do more videos. Let's get in the video, guys. The first tip I want to share with you guys: encourage mobile free days, guys. So I have students and working profession, they used to tend to keep mobile phones near the desktop, near the workplace, so which make them to feel using mobile phones whenever they get bored of their working, even students. So whenever they get bored of their studying syllabus, academic oriented life, they tend to use mobile phones to get quick naps about Instagram. Even some people tend to watch some kind of videos in YouTube, which ultimately release dopamine levels in our body, which makes us feel more relaxed while watching those kind of content, guys. So as you know, our mind says it's not good for our health, it's not good for our productivity, but because of dopamine level release, we tend to watch those kind of things, right? We just addict towards those kind of things. To overcome this, which I've been recently I've been following, is so placing a mobile phone near my desktop and workplace, guys. So let's say working in this using desktop, I used to place the mobile phone in another room, guys. So which helps me to make more free and convenient to work my task and to work my academic life, guys. So you might be asking, what if my friends call you, what if my family call you? So that I don't bother about those things, guys. So ultimately our end of the goal is you need to complete work on time, you need to complete your academic projects, academic assignments on time. So I just keep my mobile phone in hall room, so I won't be able to attend those kind of calls. So the one thing which I always do is, so I keep my mail checking, guys. So I just ask my friends to mail me through my personal mail ID. So if it's any emergency, I'll try to go to my hall and I'll try to make phone calls to them, guys. So apart from this, I won't be able to using a mobile phone, guys. So it hurts me a lot, so even it hurts you a lot, so not attending a friend's call. But as I said before, ultimately our goal is to complete our tasks on time, before time, guys. So keep this in mind, try to follow this step, guys. It will definitely help your productivity. This is the first tip I want to share with you. Moving on to the next one: stop using mobile phones before the bed. Stop using mobile phones as soon as wake up early in the morning, guys. So this is the main reason why people tend to use mobile phones continuously, frequently. So even in my case, so before 2 years, I'm a kind of person, I used to before sleeping to bed, I used to have a quick updates about news and quick updates about the share market and cryptocurrency, placing mobile phone near to my bed. So even as soon as waking up early in the morning, I used to have a quick glance about the share market prices and the market value, which will definitely help in the finance sector. But ultimately it's going to end up in focus. I definitely lose my focus, guys. So that's the main reason why people tend to addict towards mobile phones whenever they used to wake up early in the morning, when they used to sleep before late night, guys. So I always feel to do meditate, guys. So as soon as wake up in the morning, do try to take at least 5 to 10 minutes, do meditate. So after doing meditate, try to read some kind of physical paper, not the mobile phone paper, guys. Just try to have a hard copy of newsletters. Even if you have any kind of books, try to read those kind of books, guys. So I always prefer as soon as wake up, don't ever use mobile phone, guys. So try to maintain gap between at least 30 to 45 minutes as soon as wake up, guys. So you might be wondering, after following this step at least for 2 to 3 months, you might be seeing better results, guys. So even I had so many better impact on my life by following this reason. Even before going to bed, guys, try to have a gap between 30 to 45 minutes before going to bed. Don't use mobile phones, even don't watch TV and don't watch the laptops, and stop screen time, guys. Don't ever watch any kind of digital device before going to bed, after soon as wake up early in the morning, guys. So and some kind of business people, you tend to watch this kind of you have to watch only messages as soon as wake up, guys. So for those kind of people, I suggest you to, guys, try to do meditation at least 5 to 10 minutes as soon as wake up. Then you can able to watch all kind of devices you want, guys. But try to meditate as soon as wake up early in the morning. Will definitely help you to boost productivity, guys. The third tip, the second tip I want to share with you. The third tip, guys, become a self-aware. So whatever tips you have been watching this video, you might be watching some kind of other videos, even you might be referring some kind of Google documents, some PDFs. even whatever like Zoom podcast, you tend to fail you to watch to all those kind of guys. So ultimate goal is to be self-aware. So try to organize everything in a paper. So try to take one paper, sheet of paper, try to note all the tasks which you want to done in the day. Even mention time limit for the tasks. So once you are completed with the task list, follow those things, guys. So try to be self-aware. Don't ever fall fall for it like this kind of distraction, this kind of gadgets, guys. So this will go to ultimate goal for you as a person, as a human being. You always need to be self-aware of yourself, guys. So it definitely help you to boost productivity. So this will definitely help you to have a long run life with more productive, guys. So I mean like self-aware not only by following a tool list, even you need to be like a strong minded towards not using mobile phone. You just need to take a like strong stand towards using mobile phones and laptops, any kind of digital device which makes you feel distraction. So you just need to take a strong word, strong stand on that, guy. It's definitely ultimate goal. So instead of like even like watching all kind of tips and the tricks, you might be fend of failure. So these are like self-awareness, a basic tip and the elementary tip for the students and working profession who are lacking to have more focus and concentration, guys. The third tip I want to share with you. The fourth tip, guys, use phone breaks. So I'll explain what is phone break, guys. So phone break is nothing but the same as Pomodoro technique, which I've been like following from last 1 week. So we tend to mind used to always keep on like searching for mobile phone. So that's the main reason I used to follow phone break, guys. It's nothing but like just like set time for 30 minutes. So once you cross 30 minutes, go to and see what kind of message you got in mobile phone. Even at the time, you can able to take quick nap if you want. You can able to do some quick meditation at least 1 to 2 minutes. Even you can able to drink some water. You get like free air about from working profession, about academic oriented life, guys. Like place an alarm, like buy some kind of basic alarm which costs from 140 to 150 rupees. Just buy those kind of alarms and place near to desktop. Set for like 30 minutes alarm in that alarm. So once the alarm rings for 30 minutes, go to your mobile phone, take some kind of at least one glass of water, take a mobile break and watch all kind of message which you got. So once you complete a 5 minutes break, just come back to workplace, guys. So I feel like this step is only helpful for the college student, working profession. You might be able to take breaks between half an hour, 30 minutes. So for those kind of people, I suggest you to take at least 2 hours breaks between work profession, guys. So I guess this tip will go to helpful. So it's been 1 week I'm following this tip, guys. So I had a pretty good result outcome from this tip, guys. Even it might be helpful for you. So you can try to this tip, guys. The fourth tip I want to share with you. The final tip, guys, use heavy passwords. So you might be asking what's the use of using heavy password. So let me share an example, guys. So in my school days, I used to have like simple password like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So a simple bullshit password, which helped me to like use all application with frequent manner, guys. So when I was listening some kind of classes sitting at home, I tend to use mobile phone, like using fingerprint lock, even like using some kind of face recognition, which helped me to open my screen easier. So from when I step in college, I just started using a heavy password, guys, which ultimately make me to feel uncomfortable to open my phone, guys. So as you know, if you have like heavy work to do, you feel tired instead of that, you can able to focus on particular task, guys. The main reason I prefer like even you guys to use like heavy passwords. So one thing, guys, so before this heavy password, try to note those password paper, guys. You tend to forget. In my case, I almost like forgot for multiple times. That's the main reason I tend to write the password paper, guys. So for future reference, in case I forgot the password, trust me, guys, use heavy password. So it should contain at least 21 characters. So you might be feel tired, you might feel exhausted to open that mobile phone, guys. So that's the reason I prefer you to follow this thing, which I've been following this from past 3 years when I step in college. It definitely help you, guys. So even if possible, like install some kind of locks in application which will help you to open some kind of application using this lock, guys. So these are the 5 tips, definitely help you to have more focus towards work, guys. That's it from today's video, guys. I hope this helps you. If you want to make any video on particular topic, do comment in comments. I try to make that video happen on a regular basis, guys. That's it from today's video, guys. We'll do soon.